So hi guys, this is Vishal here from DrapCode. So in this video, we will understand what are the default collections fields. So whenever you create a collection in DrapCode to store data, what are the default fields which get created so that you don't have to create it explicitly. Okay, so let me create a collection. So let's say collection name is product. Okay, and I just created a collection. Now you see there are a couple of fields which got created. We'll just quickly see it, but for now just let add one field to the collection. So let's say product has a name and then create, and that's all. I'll go to my collection and this is the product which we just created. Now if I go to and add a product, let's add one product. So it is only asking me name because that is what we have explicitly told it to save. So let's say the product is product 1. Save it. So product is 1, but you see there is a field called created by. But let's go into more detail. So if you go to the configuration, you see there are actually more fields. So we create ID, which is a unique identifier for that particular record across the whole project. So this is a UUID. Created at basically when the object got created, and this is a time in GMT. Created by who is the person who created this item, right? So this is needed when your end user is creating some record, right? When you create from builder, it do not make any sense. But yeah, when a new record is getting created, so it automatically captures that who is the person who created it. So let's say you are building some application, a SaaS application, where you want to show the data to the person which they have created, or let's say the product which they have created. So you can also apply filter on this field to show me only the products which this particular person has created, which is created by. Updated it. So let's say the product get updated. So this field capture the updated parameters, and then all the fields which you are putting explicitly. So let's go and create a very simple flow to create a product, update it, and then see how these fields get impacted. Okay, so I'll go and create a page. So I'll create 2 pages. One is for create product. Okay, so let's say product create. And let's say only the logged in user can do it, so that we can capture that who created it. Okay. Here I'll just put a 2-column layout, and then that's all. Just drop a form which is a collection form to create a product. Okay, and I'll say product. That's all. So it will only take name because that's the only public field which we have given. Now let's create events. So first event is create product. Second event will be edit product. Okay, product create. I'll just go to the collection and say save data in product collection. Okay, success, error. That's all. Probably redirect them to dashboard after this. Page redirect to dashboard. That's all. Create one more event which is update product. Okay, update product. Same thing in the collection. Now this time we'll choose update data. Okay, success, error, any error message, any success message you can give. Okay, and after that redirect back to the dashboard. Okay, save. That's all. Now let's go and create one more page which is update product. Update product. Okay, this is also secured. Create. Now since we are updating the product, we need the data of the product to be pre-filled. I'll just bind the product collection as well so that we can show the data pre-filled. Same thing, drop a 2-column layout and then drop a collection form, but this time it will be a update form. So I'll go to the settings, product collection, and choose update product as an event. Okay, move this, change this to update. Now let's get back to the previous page, product create, and bind the event to create product, which is product create event. Okay, so this flow is complete. Now on the dashboard, let's just display the list of products. Let's just display the list of products. So I'll say data table, get data from collection, display product. That's all. Okay, I don't need all these things, so I'll just remove it, and maybe a button to create new products. So a link, let's say somewhere here, create product, and link it to product create page. Okay, now let's go and see how this works. So as of now, I'm already logged in as user1@email.com. Okay, so now this is it, and I will see one product which got created. Now let's go to create product and create one more product. So I'll say product from user, okay, from the logged in user, and I'll just submit. So it will save the product data and redirect us to the dashboard, and we will see product from user here, which is fine. But let's go and see how this data actually looks like behind the scene, how the other field gets captured, the default field which I was talking about. So if you see this product from user, and you click this green icon, it actually gives you what all resides inside this product. So it has a ID, which is a ID internally for internal use. This is the name of the product, and this is the only field which we have given explicitly while creating the product collection. You see all this data, and this is all default. So it is created at 15th of March 23 and 7:58 GMT, right? So this is the current time in GMT, right? 7:58 GMT. So if you search current time in GMT, it should be something like this, current time in GMT. So it's 7:59, right? So it is actually capturing the time in GMT. It's created at, updated at same time, and created by. So this is the reference to a current logged in user, that whoever the person was logged in, who created this. So here you see user1@email.com. This is the user from which we were logged in. Okay, UID of the user, and this is the UUID of the product. Now if you go and edit this product, it will basically update the updated at field. Okay, so let's do it also. Go back to my dashboard, and I just link it to the edit page so that we go to the right product to edit. So I link this edit button to the edit page. So I'll say go to my update product page, take the ID of this particular product, which is the parent component from the data table, and then that's all. So I'll go here, reload the page. Now let's edit this product. So I'll say edit. It is showing the ID. Okay. The data is not coming pre-filled because we have dropped the collection before binding. So we have dropped the collection form before binding the page, before binding the collection to the page. So we can go and just tell it that from where to pick the value. So I'll go to the settings, and I'll say get content from product. Get content from product, and which field of product? Name of the product. But here you see in the dropdown, you are seeing all other fields: created at, created by, updated at, and ID. These are the default fields, and you are also seeing all the fields of the user, the created by user, because it's a reference field, right? So you can access all the fields of the reference fields. So I'll go back again, reload the page. Now it should show me pre-filled. So product from user, and let's say I change the name from browser from user updated. Okay, and I am saving it. So now I am just changing the name, right? But behind the scene, it will also change the updated add property. So I'll go back to my product and click this green icon again. So now you see the name got updated, product updated, created it still remains same, which is 7:58, but updated has changed to 8:02. Then created by still remain the same, ID and everything remains the same, but it is capturing that at what time the product got updated. So these are the things which you don't have to explicitly capture, and this is something which we do it anyway. So you don't have to manage that who created it. what time it got created. So all those things we are capturing. We store it in GMT, and then on the basis of product time zone or the project time zone, you will see the relevant date. Like here I am seeing, since we are in India, I am seeing 1:28 p.m., which is the current time here, right? So I hope this is useful. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.